All right, guys. So this is another strategy that I want to show you guys. It's going to be for Bybit Futures trading tutorial. And we're using UNI USDT as case study here. So just pay detailed attention to what I'm about to show you. Now, this is the 1-day time frame. You can see the current trend of this market is bearish, right? It's obviously bearish. And if you look down, let's say you go to 4-hour time frame and you take a look at what we have, the market is still bearish, it's still trending downwards, right? And as a matter of fact, we've been able to come here to mitigate this supply. And this low could not break this high. So instead, we are coming down. So for us to frame a bias now, we're going to look at what exactly is going on here. These are our primary concern. What is going on here? Whatever has happened here before is no longer our business. But what is going on here now is our major concern. So let's go to 1-hour time frame and let's see if we can actually plot out something interesting. Now, look at this inducement taken out. That's giving us price mitigated successfully. We broke structure again. You can see this. So we're going to call this BOS. So I'm calling that our BOS. Put in the middle, center is okay. And yes. So knowing fully well already that price has mitigated successfully, we're trying to look for another sell. Now, the big question is, how plausible will that be? How plausible will it be? Where are we marking out? Let's mark here out as our supply. And let us see how price mitigates. We already have an inducement here. You can see how price is inducing, trying to create equal highs as inducement to allow people to trade down. So I'm looking at this area now for UNI USDT to take a possible short, entry from here. To take a possible short entry from this zone. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Take a possible short entry from here. So I'm anticipating that price is going to do this, come like so, give us some inducement, tap into here, and then fall back to the downside. Maybe target here as our take profit. So I'll take profit level. So here now, it's going to be a 1 to make this darker. It's going to be a 1 to 2.26 RR. As you are risking $100, you should be getting about, give or take, $126 on this trade if it plays out well as planned. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting this because here's a valid supply that broke structure. I'm expecting it. And from the left side, price has not mitigated anything. Let's look at it. From the left side, price did not mitigate nothing. Major supply, the major demand here that price would have mitigated is right here. It's right here. So we are still safe to take a sell. We are still safe to take a sell. one more sell. But if price doesn't mitigate this our entry, price doesn't mitigate this entry here, then what do we do next? Clear and simple. Clear and what? Simple. We leave the trade. All right. So in the next video, I'll be talking about BTC, what I feel BTC is likely to do. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do next. So one love, peace out. See you in the next video.